Sunday friends, running kimono here. If you can stack the basket, I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video. You can get like $50 of stuff for free and a $5 moneymaker. And this is the Sundays that we love. And a lot of toys are marked up to 60% off. And we're going to talk about that right off the bat. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful just to help the video. If you could like it, I would be so happy. Really helps me out and the channel. Okay, so at the very end of the video, we are going to be talking about the boosters. What's a booster? These are boosters. When you're using these, you cannot use Walgreens cash. And we're going to do this at the very end of the video, $50 basket in store with a lot of magic and razzle dazzle. First thing we're going to talk about is this, which is 60% off of select toys. A lot of it's like Pokemon and like different kids brands names, and with a lot of plastic shortages that we're going to be seeing in the near future, especially around Christmas as it's been forecasted. If you need to grab a couple little extras with Walgreens cash or register rewards for nieces and nephews or your kids or grandkids, at 60% off, I think this stuff is going to start flying. And lots of these little balls with magic. This would be perfect at the tippy tip of a Christmas stocking. I'm already thinking about Christmas, but I know a lot of you are. So if you're at Walgreens, you might want to moonwalk down that toy aisle. And with toys and clearance, it's always a your mileage may vary. Some stores on the same clearance schedules, yours might be in 2 weeks from now. So I would still walk down that toy aisle if you need some this Christmas or for a future birthday or holiday. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the $1.95 Arm & Hammer. Have not seen it for this price point in a very long time. It includes the liquid detergent, the pods, and the scent beads. So if you're a newer couponer really trying to bulk up your stockpile, I would recommend use between $5 to $10 of Walgreens cash to try to get some of this stuff. Usually on a non-sales week, it's I think upwards of $7 or $8 at Walgreens if you're just going to buy a bag of this or some of the scent beads. And keep your receipt for a week post, because if there's IBOTTA rebates, sometimes they have it for these scent beads or the different products. It might be a small, you're going to get a couple dollars back. And I apologize. This isn't a tag heavy video because the guy that usually does the tags, he had Sunday off. So, yep, that's just the breaks of it. So, $1.95. And that's the price this week in store. Grabbing 3 of these, it would be $5.85. If you're doing this with no booster, use $5 in Walgreens cash or a register reward. And again, as I was talking about IBOTTA, sometimes for those scent beads or various Arm & Hammer laundry care, there are little rebates that pop up. So just hang on to your receipt for a week post in case one shows up as the week marches on. Okay, the next deal that we have is on the Shea Moisture. It's this hair oil. And even if you're not a big hair oil fan, this summer it's been so flippin' dry here. Put a little bit of this in your hair, even for me, and it really helps out like your ends. I would recommend to try this product out. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Spend $20, earn back a $10 register reward. And if you head over to your Fetch Rewards account, I have a spend $15, earn back $3,000. It's $3. If you have not signed up for this app, my referral code's right there. Sign up today. It's fantastic. Grabbing 2 of these for $20, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $15. Get a $10 register reward back. Photograph your receipt for 3,000 points back from Fetch. It makes it $2 for 2 or a dollar per hair oil. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. If you're doing this deal on its own, by all means, make it happen. This is the sort of deal that you're really going to have to pay attention, where you're going to grab 2 variations of the Crest toothpaste priced at $5 because we have $1 off of each. Your account might have a $3 off, so it'll be like 3 off of one and $1 off of another. I think some people have a $3 off of the Brilliance, but I absolutely didn't. So you need a variation because you're getting 2 types of toothpaste, so you just can't grab 2 of each. IBOTTA has $1 back for each as well. So double, triple check that you have the same rebate, of course. Grabbing 1 of each, that'll be $10. Subtracting $2 digital coupons, you'll pay $8. Get back a $4 register reward. and then photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back. It makes it $2 for 2 or $1 per tube. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward, and not a bad little deal for some toothpaste. And I know a lot of you are, very particular with Crest. It's either Crest or nothing, so that's a deal for you. And now the Pantene at $5. Unfortunately, my store only had one lonely bottle, so this is a deal I couldn't even do even if I wanted to try, but I know a lot of you are fans of Pantene, a very good product by P&G, and they have not raised the price on this. So we're looking for the smaller $5 bottles, $3 reward when you buy 2 with a 2 off 2 digital coupon, and here it is. So load our little friend. Okay, so here it is, guys. 2 of those $5 Pantenes for 10. Subtracting the 2 off 2, you're going to pay 8, get back a $3 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per Pantene. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. You're just doing a couple little deals. By all means, use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward, and it is a great little deal. And I love the Pantene conditioners, and of course, my store was picked clean of them. The next super duper deal is with the Tresemme shampoo or conditioner at $6 a pop. So we are going to be loading a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and you get a $5 reward when you purchase 2. Do not do both the Dove and the Tresemme together because only one 5 off 2 register reward will print for you. Load this friend, which is the 5 off 2 for the Tresemme. And here's the deal. 2 of these for $12, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per Tresemme. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And what a deal. These are larger bottles of Pantene that'll last you a good long time. And who doesn't like a little bit of Axe body wash? So this week we have a really high value coupon on the Axe. Do love this product. My husband, one of his favorites, so I definitely did it on both of our store cards this morning. And the promotion is it's buy one, get one 50% off. So, and this tends to get cleared when the high value coupons roll out. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $10.18. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5.18 for the 2. It's like $2.50 per body wash. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it just so you're not feeling that $5.18 out of pocket. Okay, so for this next deal, you're grabbing a $14.99 Gillette Lab and then a $9.99 Venus razor. Now, guys, apologies. I don't have the digital coupons to show you because I did it on both store cards last week. We have a 7 off 2 for the Labs and a $3 for the Venus, and it's a $10 reward when you buy 2. And looking at the math here, 1 of each is $24.98. Subtracting $10 in digital coupons, you'll pay $14.98. Get back a $10 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per Fancy Dancy razor. Again, you're doing this with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn that register reward. Another fantastic deal this week is on the Colgate Total. Put Total in your back pocket because it's really important to remember that specific brand. Because we have this digital coupon, not the 5 off 2, but the 4 off a 2 for this one. And then over on Fetch Rewards, there's a progressive of spend $15 to earn back $1.50. And that one is still live and well. So make sure that you have it just to make sure that we're on the same page. Over on the Fetch app. But grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. My IBOTTA app still has a $2 rebate on these massive bottles of Purex. It's a limit of 1 per. But Walgreens is the store. This week they're on sale for $8.99. After this IBOTTA rebate, it's $6.99. And these are 115 loaders. You know, even if you wanted to use this for like towels or dog beds or whatever, it's a very good detergent. I think it's underrated, but do love Purex too in this household. So I would definitely stock up, especially if you're a newer couponer that wants to really build up your stockpile. This is a good buy. And we also have the Doritos for $2.99 and also the Lay's. And this is like, I was going to say $3 and save $3.30 of savings. This is my husband's favorite, the Cool Ranch. They have the nacho cheese and all the different Lay's ones. You want to stock up for your Labor Day party. This is the place to get your chips. And also, I love this deal. It is a buy one, get two for free on the Walgreens freezer bag. So it makes it 93 cents per box of 20. That's an unheard of price point. With back to school right around the corner, this is one thing on the list for a lot of students. So I think that's why Walgreens has allowed this promotion to go on for a month, because some kids are already back in school right now and some will be next week. Okay, so the final thing we're looking at is to stack a paper booster, which you get at the store. Always your mileage may vary, with the bottom one, which is a digital booster, a 10 back when you spend 50. So if you're spending $50, you're going to earn back 15, and that is the beauty of doing this specifically in store. For this basket, we're just going to go through a lot of the stuff that we've already shown in the video. So I'm going to grab 2 crests for 10. Remember, we need 2 different flavors of it. Do not just grab 2 of the same, because you want your IBOTTA rebate and your digital coupons to work. 2 Pantenes for 10, 2 Shea Hair Oils for 20, 2 Colgates for 10. A very meat and potatoes coupon basket. Your total here is 50. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster. Have your digital booster loaded. We have $13 in digitals melting off. 2 for Crest, 2 for Pantene, a 5 off 2 for Shea, a 4 off 2 for Colgate. And so you're going to pay $37 with your debit card, get back $15 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters, $22 in register rewards, 4 for Crest, 3 for Pantene, 10 for Shea, and 5 for Colgate. And then you're going to photograph your receipt for $2 back from IBOTTA and $3 back from Fetch, making it free plus a $5 money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. However, if you have register rewards from last week, from Colgate, Garnier, whatever, throw those in for a smaller out-of-pocket. That is completely fine, as long as it says manufacturer register reward at the tippy top. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We will catch you in the next one, and happy shopping and happy saving. Bye, guys.